Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This time we have this song called Too Late by Cash Cash featuring Wiz Khalifa and Lucas Graham. A great new song, their latest single here from Cash Cash, and it's fun to play, very easy, only 4 chords, and the chords are D, A, B minor and G, and they sound like this. First D, A, the B minor, you bar on the 2nd fret here, and with the rest of a finger here you hold like an A minor. So 2nd fret bar and the A minor, the rest here. And the last chord is the G. So this consists of like one verse and one pre-chorus and then the chorus. And the verse is Wiz Khalifa's part. And here you just play like I played in the intro. 1 stroke down, clap. 1 stroke down, a small pause and clap. And together it sounds like this. D, D, pause, clap. D, clap, D, pause, clap. Yeah, that is pretty much it when it comes to the verse. And then when we come to the, this is the verse and the pre-chorus. It's the same way there, and then when we come to the chorus, Lucas Graham sings it very clean and easy first, and then after the first half it will come more up-tempo, more like a beat. But the first part is, how I would play it is just downstrokes, and this chord progression goes round and round the same way, D, A, B minor, G. So on the chorus there, the first part is like down, 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 and switch. So in total it will be like 3 downstrokes for every chord, with this down, 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 switch, down, switch, down, switch, down, down, and so on. And this you'll play like 2 rounds till he starts to sing It Will Be Too Late. And when he starts singing this part, the chorus will be like more in the beat, more up-tempo, and still the same chords, but more with down and up strokes. So in slowly it will be like down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. One more time. So in a tempo it will sound like this. And with the switch of the chords it will sound like this. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Yeah, that is pretty much it. This is my way of playing it, and you can of course, like always, do it to your song and do it in your way, but I would prefer this one. Some people have the bar set on the 2nd fret, and you will have different chords then, but this is the original sound, and I enjoy this chord progression, so it fits very good to this song. I hope you enjoy this cover of how I would play the song, and if you did, please subscribe, thumb up, and maybe perhaps you can leave a comment. So yeah, that's it, and as always, play tuned.